Hey friends, if you encounter the error 0x00000194 with Microsoft Store, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Okay, first of all, open the Microsoft Store and search for this site fast.com and hit enter. Okay, so this website will show you the speed of the internet. If it is good enough, then all is well. If not, then you'll have to do something about the internet connection first. The next one is to reset the Microsoft Store. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command ws reset and hit enter. This will reset the Microsoft Store and it will reopen it. The next one is to re-register the Microsoft Store. Now we have a command for this. Okay, I'll show you this command. Okay, so I will have to copy paste it in the video because it's quite a complex one. We will have to open PowerShell and click on Run as Administrator and then paste this command here and hit enter. This will re-register the Microsoft Store and then you will have to reopen it. I mean, if it was already open, then close it and reopen it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.